Hi, I'm Phil from Right Rope. Today, I want to show you a few different ways you can tie a dock line to a cleat. You always go to the farthest side of the cleat, go one full revolution, make an X across the top, and then lock it up with that little hitch. That's a standard cleat hitch. A second way to do it is called the OXXO pattern. And you will go to the far side again on the underside, do one complete revolution, that's an O, make an X, make a second X, and make an O. That's the OXXO. This one does not have any locking hitches on it, which is nice. It makes it really easy to come off. And the third way I want to show you today is the O800. Make an O, make an 8, and make 2 zeros. Just like that. This is also not a locking hitch, so it comes off real easy. So there are 3 good ways that you can tie your dock lines to a cleat. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more videos every week about all things rope. Look up rightrope.com to get the right rope at the right price.